Sales and marketing may look at the world differently, but they agree on two things. They're both looking for real buyers, and they want to win more deals. Introducing TechTarget's Priority Engine, the sales and marketing tool that identifies the people looking to buy your solutions, combined with the insights to convert them. With Priority Engine, you'll win more deals with less effort because you're always reaching the right people with the right message at the right time. Priority Engine tracks over 18 million opt-in technology buyers and prioritizes them based on purchase activity only TechTarget can see. We show you the real people, the technologies they're researching, and the vendors they're considering. With simple integration into leading marketing automation systems, demand marketers can run targeted campaigns filtered by technology interests, installed products, engagement with competitors, and more. And one-click access to priority-ranked accounts and contacts makes it easy for sales users to find the accounts to focus on and engage prospects with a personalized pitch. Account dashboards are searchable, completely portable, and delivered in a simple URL that can be uploaded into any browser or sales automation system. Today, hundreds of TechTarget customers use Priority Engine to generate higher quality leads, set more appointments, and grow their pipelines. Are you ready to join them? Find out how by visiting techtarget.com/priorityengine to request a walkthrough.